My name's Hague Shier. I look after all the sales operations at GarageSmart and fundamentally have done for 18 to 20 years of our existence. It inspired me fundamentally came about because there was nothing in this space that professionally tailored for the storage needs in the garage. At that stage there was hooks on the wall which was nothing more sophisticated than nails. You had nails along a wall, hung up some garden tools. There was the old kitchen cabinets used in the garage. There was nothing specific for the garage. It was all the bits and pieces that had come from another renovation of the home basically. There was nothing in that space. There were no specific products for that space. And we just thought, given there's a garage with every home in Australia, that there was great opportunity to provide better service and better products to solve the evolving needs of Australian families.